And Saki G is ready with our hot topic for today.
Yebo asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi Vedari. I am a lady aged 30 years. I need your help. I was married for 3 years to my husband. Takaita mwana mumwe chete endanga ndisina mufaro mu marriage yangu. My husband was very abusive. Airova akatsamwa. It was just too much to deal with. Year 2 of marriage, akandirova ndikabva zino, complaining kuti ndaimisira nyama shoma. Aindirova at the same time shouting at me kuti unoshanda here unondisira nyama tu kunge mwana mudiki. Ndakaibikiswa nyama usiku wacho, ndokuzodya sadza kwaakaita achiti I want 5 pieces of meat. I had been keeping this from my mother, hoping anochinja. I even started kufambira getting help muchipostori, but ndaingonzi uyai nawo kwese kwandaenda. Asi yaisatangika nyaya iyi kuti tinobatsirwa tese. I visited my mom months later and she asked about the tooth and I told her the truth kuti ndakarowa. That day, vakakiya gate ravo and said, "You are not going back kumba, kusvika wamusungisa, o otoripa kwandiri, nokuti handina kuzvara punching bag." I called my husband and told him the situation, and he said to me, "If you don't come home today, mawan ako." I wanted to leave, but my mom wouldn't let me. I went back to my house next day, and Munu was angry. Ndakarowa nebhande kunge mwana mudiki, muviri wese. Chero paramara bande he didn't care, so I ran away and went back home, and that's how it ended. So hot topic KVG, I never thought I would go back to him. But it so happened that takasangana kumchato, our mutual friend, was getting married and ended up sitting together to manage tunyaya pavan. We had a great time and he offered a lift to town, but ended up taking me home. I discovered 2 months later that I'm pregnant. Mimba ye dere kumchato. My mom asked me about mimba I, and I told her the truth. She was not happy. Vakangonditi washingirira nebhinya rako, chibva pamba pangu. I packed my bags ndichidzokera kuchitungwiza, and I was shocked to find another woman doing laundry pamba paanorinda. I thought maybe akatama, so I went to main house, and they said he's still staying here. I asked kumumirira ku main house. He returned usiku wacho and I knocked on the door, and the first thing he said to me achindiona is, "I moved on, urkudei." I told him kuti I'm pregnant and he said, "Ndoziva sei kuti ndeyangu." He locked his door and that night I slept kwa landlord because I had nowhere else to go. Mimba yakura and my mother has abandoned me. I'm staying in a one room selling mafuta ekutsvukisa pamashops. Sometimes ndinorara nenzara, plus mimba iyi yandishungurudza, sometimes kutengesa kwacho handisi kukwanisa. Was I wrong for going back kumurume wangu and getting pregnant by him? I have started kufambira nyaya idzi kucourt ndiwane maintenance, but I need my mother right now. Pfungwa dzakambondibata dzekubvisa mimba, but I'm glad I didn't. Life is hard. Ndodive dare. How can I make my mother forgive me for this mistake? Yo iho topic yetu ya namhla.